CMSU is charged with providing behavioral health, drug and alcohol, intellectual disabilities, and early intervention services for any resident living within Columbia, Montour, Snyder, and Union counties. I have worked at CMSU for 42 years. I think the mental health field or any social work field really attracts folks that are willing to learn and grow over time, but willing to be vulnerable and really be available to people to help them through their struggles.
I have been with CMSU for 11 years now. Before I started at CMSU, I was a hairdresser. I really just wanted to be able to be somewhere where I could kind of help others, but also aligned with my own personal beliefs of helping others and being there for others and meeting them where they are. Since I've been here, I actually got a master's degree.
I came to CMSU because I was looking for something in the human services sector. I was looking for something where I could satisfy both my personal and professional goals of helping people in the community. CMSU has been a big part of my professional growth over the last 7 years. When I started here, I had a bachelor's degree in secondary education. Over the course of my employment, I realized the value in pursuing an advanced degree. Through CMSU's tuition reimbursement program, it was able to assist me in pursuing my Master of Social Work degree.
I love that they have the incentives for the tuition reimbursement. So if you have a bachelor's degree but you want to go for your master's, they'll help you do that. If you want to grow your education and grow your career, there's a lot of different places you can go and a lot of different things you can learn.
I've been here at CMSU for 18 years. First started as a sports coordinator and have worked my way up to the administrative side. What separates CMSU from many other organizations is the family atmosphere within the office, but hands down, number one is the amount of vacation, the flexibility of hours really allows me to spend time with my family.
Here at CMSU, there's no expectation to take work home with you or to work off the clock. So it's really helped me to balance work and home life.
Work-life balance has always been very important to everyone who has been employed here at CMSU, including myself. Anytime I needed time off, I was able to take it if I had a family emergency, and I was able to get a further education while working here as well.
If I need to take off because my kids are sick, I don't get made feel guilty for that, where some employers, they don't allow that as much. And also if I need time off, or any of that, I've never had anybody give me a hard time. They've always been really supportive and also making sure and checking in on me and making sure I'm doing okay.
Our employees are very important to us and we want them to be well.
That's one of the big things here at CMSU is the support and assistance that you have. I think overall, it was just the atmosphere that I wanted to further my education to enhance the way I can collaborate with the individuals that I work with and better serve the clients that we have.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Hauer.
And I'm Adam Hauer.
And we have worked with CMSU for about the past year and a half with our little guy, Liam. So our son, Liam, he's 15 months now. And when he was in my womb, when we had our 20-week anatomy scan, we found out that he has spina bifida. So we were told about CMSU to work with them through early intervention to get physical therapy.
We often meet the clients that we serve at some of the lowest points in their lives and then work with them to get them to a point where they are able to be successful on their own. And seeing that accomplishment over and over again with families and individuals is one of the driving forces that keeps us here at CMSU.
Yeah, so CMSU, they come to our house. We don't really have to travel much at all for anything, and it's just a big stress relief for them to be able to come here and be in the environment that Liam's used to, that he can actually play with the toys that he wants and interact with his brothers and Steph and I. It's just a big stress relief, and they're flexible with hours and when they come, what day of the week, whatever time. They're really able to work with us.
Something we love about CMSU is their excitement as well. You can tell that they really care about him and it's not just a job. It's been really fun to see his excitement grow and his motivation with wanting to play grow as well.
The future still has a lot of unknowns and we have no idea where it's going to go, but we're confident that CMSU is going to help us do that.
I've worked for large healthcare company in the past. This is more of more of a small town and family feel, and values and core ethics that I think serves the area much better. It's very important to me because it gives that personal touch to the individuals that we serve.
Mental health has been something that's recently been more talked about. So here at CMSU we have a lot of different avenues, different services that can help people. So no matter what the struggle is, coming to CMSU, we have something that's for everyone. And so working here, you can kind of figure out where you fit in best to help those that are struggling with mental health illness.
I think working in mental health is something that is both challenging but wildly rewarding. So if it's something that you want to do, then I would say, let's go.
I've had great supervisors, I've had great coworkers. I never would have stayed this long if it wasn't rewarding for me. What has made that is the people that I've worked with.
If you're considering working at CMSU, go for it. The people are great, the hours are good, and the work is really rewarding.
Everybody that I know here is, whether it's with adults or whether it's with kids, is genuinely in it to help that individual, which I think is rare. So I love it. That's what we're here for.
I would advise anybody who's looking for a career in mental health to start your experience here at CMSU. Whether this is a lifelong career or a stepping stone into another area of mental health, I strongly advise anyone to participate in the rich experience that you can have here at CMSU.